Okay, hello everybody. Uh, Hope you can hear me. Can you please confirm in chat if you can hear me well and see my presentation? Okay, yeah, good morning, good morning. Okay, perfect. So let's wait maybe another 1 minute, maybe somebody's late. And in 1 minute, we will start our presentation and demonstration of Virto alerts. All right. So, hi everybody again. My name is Dmitry Leitner, and I'm CEO at VirtoSoftware. And today I will demonstrate to you our great app, Virto Alerts and Reminders, uh, and show how to use it, describe its use cases, and show how to configure it in SharePoint, in Microsoft Teams. So you would aware of most of its features, and I hope you'll enjoy it. I think that the presentation will take about maybe 30 minutes, and once I will complete, during the presentation you can email me your messages in chat, and I will answer all of them after the presentation. Okay, so enterprise class email alerting system to stay on track to any important changes in SharePoint. So I think that most of you already know our company, probably using our products. But for those who is not familiar with us, so we are a Microsoft Gold certified partner, and 100% of our developers are certified by Microsoft. We have more than 800 of enterprise clients. 82% of support cases are resolved within 2 business days, but in most cases it's usually within 1 business day. We have 93% of customer satisfaction rate, which is really great, and we pay high attention to our support and to our staff training, so clients can be happy with usage of our products. And every employee in our company is on a separate front line, so we don't have 2, 3 lines of support. Once you email us, and if you have any questions or issues, the right person will respond to you directly and will help you remotely if it's required. Okay, so here's a list, a short list, of course, of some of our lovely clients, and I'm sure that you know all of them. All right, so what is Virto Alerts and Reminders? Actually, it's the heart of your email notification system in the organization, which helps you to stay on track of any important changes and upcoming events in SharePoint. With Virto Alerts, you actually can do a lot, and there is a plenty number of use cases you can cover with it, and I will explain some of them later. But the key features and key possibilities for you with Virto Alerts is to track documents and list item changes. Whether it's a new item, if item was deleted, or if any particular field has been changed. You can build various conditions to track only required changes. So you can specify which required items or documents you want to track with some particular conditions. and to get notifications only about these items or documents. Also, you can receive reminders for the upcoming events or any important dates in your list libraries. You can create beautiful designed emails with all required data and field values in it. You can also create templates. Also, one important thing that you can send emails to external users with Alerts app. You can send it to your clients, to partners, to any email address you want to use. You can also receive emails and notifications directly in Microsoft Teams channel. And today I will demonstrate how to configure it. It's pretty simple. And also you can review delivery status and upcoming emails in queue. Okay. So a couple of words about security. So all our apps are built on top of SharePoint Server or SharePoint Online. All data is stored in SharePoint. Apps on Microsoft Store have passed security verification. In version 4 of 65, the only personal data stored is email. And also you can choose the location where you want to store your data. It's the United States or Europe. Okay, so let's go to Virto Alerts. I will just share my screen. All right. Okay. So I hope you can see my screen. Just can you please let me know that you can see it well? Yeah. Okay. So here's our Alerts app, which is available in Microsoft App Store, which you can install. And what key sections do we have here? So here I have my alerts section. Also, if I have administrator privileges, I can see all alerts which have been created, and I can manage them as well. Also, here is a queue which I have managed, which I have mentioned. Some history of all alerts, or you can specify some alert and to see when it has been changed. So an email has been sent. Also, you can see some status, like it was open, for example, and the date. In general settings, you can specify your time zone, specify email from and reply to, add some email header and body and footer. And here you can manage people who can manage other alerts and to be administrators as well. In the administrator section, you can manage people who can administer all alerts. And in subscription section, you just can see your subscription status and expiry date and some plans. So briefly about our plans, we have 3 plans. It's basic, standard, professional, and enterprise. And basic includes only alerts, just only notifications when anything has been changed. And you can create 30 such alerts. In standard, you can add also reminders and current events supported. In professional, you can also see the queue, and enterprise includes everything for unlimited number of users and limited number of alerts. Okay. So here are some alerts we have, and I will show you how to create it. So one more thing that is important to understand, we have two options, add alert and add reminder. What's the difference? So alert, when you create alert and specify it for some document, library or list, you get notifications when anything has been changed. So there should be any trigger happen. And when you create reminders we usually use when we want to get reminders about some upcoming events, upcoming dates. So for example, like we have a document library or list with some contracts, and we have expiry date in these contracts. And for example, we want to get notification 5 days before the expiry date, so we can contact our client or partner to review it. So that's a key difference. Okay, so let's create alert, and I'll show how to use it. So once we create alert, first we need to specify the list, like marketing campaigns, for example. Here I can specify change type. Select all changes. We'll create marketing teams 2. Owner, group, recipients. In recipients, you can specify yourself, or you can add some fields like assigned to, created by, modified by, or even some field value from the custom field. It's like, for example, external email. So the particular user will receive the notification. Here there is an option for CC and BCC as well. And here's the option to integrate Microsoft Teams and to receive notifications there. So I show you how to do this. So now I will open my Teams. Here's an example I created already, and I will receive a couple of notifications directly in my channel. How to do this? Let's general. We need to go to connectors. We need to use incoming webhook. Configure. Let's give it some name. Click create. Okay. And here we have a URL which we need to copy. And we go back to our alerts and add it here. Here you can specify from or reply to emails, or you can use the standard by default, which are used in settings. The next one option, we go to message view, and here we select some subject like new update for, and remove it to show how edit. Here we can use, for example, task name, so edit tag, field value, actual value, because we can use also old and new values, and select task name. Okay. Here you can create any message, just write anything. You can use different options for formatting your text, add images, links, and so on. And here you can also add field values, some particular field values, or also another option you can use like all field values. We have also header and footer here, which will be completed by default if you have created it in settings. So now the key thing is options when and how to send this notification. So here we can select apply to all items. We can also apply it to items in the particular view of the SharePoint list or document library, or we can use some conditions which we can create here. So like percent complete is greater than 50. A new option like priority equals to high. Also, you can combine such options and you can create another one option like created by equals me, for example, or a particular field. Okay, so I just remove it. And we'll apply it to all items. And also we have several options of sending it. So you can send notification immediately. You can send a daily summary, weekly summary, and you can send it on a day depending on the field value. I will show you reminders how to use this option. For example, we'll select immediately. Okay. Click save. And so we have created marketing in Teams. Here's my list, marketing campaigns. Now I will change any item, any task. Okay, change some date. Click save. Okay, I haven't changed it, and now first I have received email notification with all field values in this item, and in my Teams I have received update for this item directly in my channel. Okay. Now, now I have some dates here in my list, in my contracts. And now I will show how to create reminders. So for example, I want to get notified 3 days before the contract will expire. Sorry, reminder. Contract list. Quite soon. And recipients, options, and here I need to use conditions. Example, we'll apply to all items, but we'll send it on a field from our document library, which will be expiration date. and we want to get notification, like we can get it same day, after number of days, before, and we have other options like after X number of days specified as a field. There are some use cases when for different types of contracts, for example, uh, there are some different conditions when contracts should be renewed. It can be like 1 month before, 45 days before, 15 days before, and so on. And if you use this field in your contract list, you can specify it here, and reminder will be sent depending on the day. So here we will select before, like 3 days, or creation date. We can also select some time when we want to get it. And if we have several contracts, we will receive email with one email with all list of contracts, or we can send them separate. It's up to you. Another one option for reminders is to get some upcoming task list, for example. So, for example, there is a manager who works with some tasks, and in the beginning of the week, if reminder has been created, Edits app can send a list of upcoming tasks for this week. So on Monday morning, manager will open his email or Microsoft Teams, and you'll see the whole list of all upcoming tasks for this week, which is really great. Okay. So I assume that here are the key features of Edits app, which I wanted to mention. As you can see, it's pretty simple to configure. Now I just stop sharing and go back to webinar. Okay. So what we do already? Actually, we have several parts. So we have different products for collaboration, work management, automation, administration. We have Virto license and cloud packages for bundle licensing. We also do some custom development for our clients. And Virto Edits is available for SharePoint on-prem and Office 365. And it's available in Virto Cloud and Virto license as well, with different options, and Virto license is licensed per web front-end server, and Virto Cloud is licensed per users. So here are our contracts. So if you have any questions or anything, you can email us at sales or support team. You can also download products from our website or from Microsoft Store. If you have any questions right now, you can ask it. Okay, so I don't see any questions from you, so it seems that everything is clear. If you have any questions after our demonstration and presentation, you can always email us, and we'll be happy to answer everything and to help you configure if you need it. So thank you again for joining us today for the webinar, and have a great day. And thank you very much. Bye.